Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 12.4% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.8% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
India's biggest refiner, Indian Oil Corp, has reduced crude processing to average at 84% of overall capacity from 96% in April. British health officials expressed optimism that the restrictions remaining in England can be lifted in June after an official study found that vaccines offer effective protection against the virus variant first identified in India. China's central bank said it will maintain the exchange rate of the yuan at basically stable levels after recent comments by its officials who suggested the currency be allowed to appreciate.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The U.S. 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Finland's Producer Price Index will be released at 500 GMT, Singapore's Consumer Price Index at 500 GMT, Korea's Consumer Sentiment Index at 2100 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.